I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Corolla windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades. Typically, the driver's side is 26 inches, and the passenger side is 16 or 14 inches. Always confirm the correct sizes for your specific model. Also, grab a soft towel or piece of cardboard to place on your windshield. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the wiper switch is in the off position. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Look for a small tab or button at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade straight downward to detach it. Once removed, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back onto your protective towel to prevent any damage. Installing the new blades is just as simple. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upward onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely fastened. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's locked in place. Don't forget to remove any protective yellow strips from the new rubber before lowering the arm. With both new blades installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Now, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers with some windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. Remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months for optimal visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.